Press the red button to subscribe to my channel and ring the bell icon to get the latest updates from Sonia Goes Natural. Hey friends, welcome to Sonia Goes Natural, and what I'm presenting to you today? Today I'm presenting to you leftover rice delicacy, and this is a wonderful, colorful recipe which you can say it is a pizza or it is a uttapa, rice uttapa with all these colorful things. So let's get started and let's proceed. So here I have taken a small bowl of rice, and into it I'm going to put yogurt and going to form a fine paste with it. So the ratio is 1 portion of rice to half a portion of semolina or suji and to 1/4 portion of curd. So a little bit of curd I'm going to use for forming of the fine paste of the rice, and little bit I'll retain back. So now let's form the fine paste with this. You can see this fine paste is formed and nobody can tell this is a leftover rice paste. So now into this am I going to add the semolina or suji, as you say. So this semolina is being added. This is half a cup of semolina, and I'm putting the seasoning in form of salt, red chili powder, and cumin seeds. Now let the portion I have retained back, I will see whether I need it later on. Now the curd which I had retained back, I'm using it this time in soaking of the semolina. If you need, you can add a little bit of water because we want a consistency equal to uttapam or rice dosa type of a thing. So you can see this consistency is perfect. If you want add this, you can add a little bit of water. I'm going to keep it for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, you can see the suji or semolina has risen. This is what we wanted. And now I'm going to add one more secret ingredient to get that fluffiness in my dish, and that is 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. So this generally goes into the dish. So this will just help in giving me that extra fluffiness and the crispiness. This after adding this, I'm going to keep it again for 1 minute. Until that time, I'm going to make a mixture of the vegetables. So these are 3 bell peppers and onion and coriander and tomatoes. So all 3. So you can take the vegetables of your choice to give the color. I have taken 3 colors of bell peppers, mixing them, seasoning it with salt, pepper, as you want. You can keep it raw also, but I have seasoned it. And now is the right time to prepare. I have put in the pan and I'm seasoning the mixture again with a little bit of mustard seeds, putting in asafoetida, a little bit of asafoetida, and some curry leaves. This will add a good kick in the uttapam mixture which we are preparing. So now this is going into the mixture of rice and semolina which I had prepared. Believe me, it tastes very yummy when we are preparing it. So let's get started with it. And now I'm going to pour it in the pan. The pan is hot. About 2 to 3 tablespoons of the mixture I have taken, and the vegetables are going to get spreaded over this. So this generally has 2 type of dish you can make with this. One is the uttapam which we are making with this leftover rice, and by spreading cheese over it, you can give it a lovely kick in form of a pizza. Now to get that crispiness, I have added oil, and I'll just wait it for about 5 to 7 minutes till it gets crispy from the lower side. And so now the best way to do it is to cover it with the lid, as I have done, and wait for about 5 to 7 minutes. The best part of this is it leaves the sides on its own. It doesn't stick at all, as you can see. And the vegetables on the other side is also cooked to some extent, and you can see that lovely crispy brownie color which has come. This is what we want, and the fluffiness is very good. So this dish will turn out to be very tasty. Presenting to you, friends, this wonderful dish from my leftover rice and semolina, spreading up cheese. This is a wonderful lunchbox recipe your kids will absolutely love. Presenting 2 chutneys with it. Enjoy. If you have liked my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.